Welcome to Wig Studio One. My name is Christy. I'm wigging with Christy. Today, I'm bringing you a review of a new city piece by Belle Tress, their city collection. This is part of the Italian city collection, Napoli. And this is in the color Mocha Maple Brown. Beautiful color. So we'll talk about that color here in this video and this cut. Thank you to Wig Studio One. Down below is a link of how you can get this with them and all their links. Also a link to the Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper support group. Now, Napoli is kind of like that classic bob style, and bobs are so in on the trends right now. Napoli can flip under, and that's how mine is laying. However, it is the feet friendly fiber, so it can straighten out if you'd like it, and you can kind of go a little sleeker look, or you can add some curls to it. No permatease, low density wig. This feels so incredible. When I pulled it out of the box, it felt like I was holding nothing. It has an amazing ear tuck and great styling capabilities. So it has a left monofilament part and a temple to temple lace front. Now I did already part this, and what I did with it is I kind of will comb the wig forward, and then I parted it where I wanted it to lay, and then I spritz some water. Now Mocha Maple Brown is not a rooted color, so you might see where you say, oh, there's like some striping. Yeah, there is, but it's non-rooted, and it's really in on the trends right now with this color. So it looks and lays nicely behind the ears. As you can see, I want to naturally do that ear tuck. I love a good ear tuck. Now with this, I always say it's going to kind of maybe flop in your face when you first get it, okay? Use some water, spritz it, lift it, and kind of do some circular motions on those knots to train those fibers. Also, what you can do is heat press up and away with rubbing your hands together, up and away and off the face. So those are some tips. Now with it being heat friendly fiber, you can also apply heat, kind of blow dry this back and get a curling iron and blow dry it back as well. I have had the most success without having to try heat with doing water or my hands. So that's just my kind of advice on how to train or lift that out of the face. Let's go ahead and look a little bit further into this wig. All right, so what did you guys think of Napoli? It's low density, no permatease. She's so cute. Classic, chic, on the trends bob that, is longer than a chin bob, so that's great. This is kind of like my favorite length for a bob. And she kind of has those tapered layers there. And so it looks like she has body to it. Looks like it might be a medium density, but it's not. It's very lightweight, natural feel to it. So I do really like this one, and I think many of you are going to like this one. Down below is where you can get this with us. Leave us a comment, and you can follow me on Instagram. I'm Wiggin' with Christy. I'm also on YouTube as well. And we hope you have a great day. Bye.